One day, I asked my senior sir that what is the definition of success? What is the mantra of success? He replied, please do not make U turn in between the way, in the middle way. Friends, whenever we start something new, we start with very enthusiasm, with very high energy, and afterwards, after some time, after taking some actions, our energy will be decreased, our enthusiasm will be decreased. Why it happens? Because we do not get the desired result in 15 days, or for example 21 days, or in initial time frame. And because of this, we think that the goal which we have set, it is not achievable or is not practical to achieve within our desired time frame. And because of this, we think that whatever we have thought to achieve, it is not doable, and it is not practical, and it will be not achieved by me. And because of this negative thinking, or else if we have told someone, we have told our surroundings that I have decided to start something, and within this time frame I wanted to achieve this. But sometimes what happened, people also tell us that it is not done by, it can't be done by you. And earlier also you told this, but at that time also it was not done by you. So how can you achieve this right now? So the thing is, consistency must require to achieve anything in life. Starting step is very essential. It must be done, and we start with energy, with high energy, but afterwards, in the middle way, somehow we become impatient. And because of this lack of patience, that make our energy low, and because of this we take less action compared to the previous one. And because of this we give up in the middle way. So the 80% people who start something new, from this people, 80% people, they quit, they give up in the middle way. And that's why only remaining 20% people can achieve their desired result, because they do not give up. So this is the mantra of success. If we do not take U-turn in between the way, definitely we will get success. It may happen, it will require some more time than the previous one that we have planned for, and it will be not the simple line, it may be zigzag type line like ECG line. But we get failures also. But if we bounce back with positive energy, yes, I can do, and with multiple efforts, with consistency, this failure leads to success if we decide not to give up. Thank you, friends, for hearing me for a quite long time. Thank you.